A windstorm is rapidly spreading wildfires in several spots across Southern California tonight. Countless homes have been lost in the flames in the Pacific Palisades section of Los Angeles, forcing thousands, tens of thousands to evacuate. And the fires are fueled by incredibly powerful Santa Ana winds, gusting in some areas up to 100 miles per hour and spreading the fire to almost 3,000 acres tonight. Officials had warned of extreme fire danger, the highest alert, and tonight, that danger has become a reality for those caught in the path. NBC's Liz Kreutz has the latest from L.A.
Tonight, panic in the Pacific Palisades as a wind-driven wildfire blazes through one of Southern California's most iconic neighborhoods.
People are panicking and it's a parking lot, so there's about an hour wait at the bottom of Palisades Drive.
I rushed over here to pack my belongings and I got the evacuation orders.
Multiple homes burning, with residents told to get out, some people getting trapped.
The homeowners are saying they're unable to access any exit routes. There's fire on both sides of the roads.
Many abandoning their cars in the gridlock traffic. Fire crews using a bulldozer to push cars out of the way to clear a path.
We are in bumper-to-bumper traffic right now as hundreds of people try to get out. You can see flames here on both sides of the road with very little visibility.
Right around, up and around those two homes, they didn't catch fire, but everything around them did.
Our NBC Los Angeles station inside this hard-hit neighborhood.
This is a large clock here, a large, what looks like an antique, very beautiful family clock here on the ground. There are also photo albums that the firefighters pulled from the home just minutes before the flames overtook it, because they said that they felt like they at least wanted to save something.
Smoke from the growing fire seen for miles around L.A., where another brush fire ignited in West Hollywood.
This is something you hardly ever see. We are in the heart of L.A. on Sunset Boulevard, where there was a brush fire that shut down the road here. All these firefighters trying to get ahead of the wind, putting out the flames that were up in these hills.
Firefighters using airdrops to put out the flames. Tonight, 19 million people under red flag warnings, with wind gusts throughout the state expected to reach 100 miles per hour in some areas, sending trees onto cars and power lines.
The only thing I heard above that wind was the power lines popping.
The intense smoke creating dangerous air quality across Southern California, with the firefight continuing into the night, where high winds are expected to only further fan the flames. Liz Kreutz, NBC News, Los Angeles.